Ditch the squeeze, the zero-mess way to clear blackheads. Forget the painful squeezing. It only leads to irritation, scarring, and permanently enlarged pores. If you want to clear your skin without the mess, there is a much gentler, more effective approach. The oil cleansing method. This method works by using oil to dissolve the oxidized sebum, those stubborn grits deep within your pores. Here is how to do it. Prep. Start with a completely dry face. Apply. Dispense 1 to 2 pumps of your favorite oil cleanser into your palms. Massage. Use gentle circular motions to massage the oil into your skin for about 60 seconds. This step is key. It softens and breaks down the hardened debris inside your pores. Emulsify. Splash your face with warm water. Watch as the oil turns into a milky texture. This ensures the debris is lifted and easily rinses away clean down the sink. When to see a professional? For stubborn, deep-seated blackheads, it's always best to visit a licensed esthetician. Professional treatments are performed under sterile conditions, which minimizes the risk of infection and prevents long-term damage to your skin. Let's build your routine. I can help you create a long-term strategy to prevent future breakouts using targeted ingredients like BHAs, or salicylic acid, or retinoids. To get started, tell me, what is your current skin type? Example, oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? What skincare products are you currently using in your routine?